Solving the essentials. The first step in solving a problem is to recognize that it does exist. Before we go into the solutions, let's take a look at the current online ecosystem. Gen Z dominant way of data intake is through social media. The environment is taken from a screen. Gen Alpha, on the other hand, is taking in data while immersed in-game as their avatar, in a 3D world that surrounds them. Their data intake is primarily platforms like Roblox, Minecraft, and Fortnite. The solutions need to be focused on the main form of data intake. This ecosystem is gaming. Play, learn, earn. Choose where to play. Choose what to learn. Choose what to earn. The Play to Learn platform is focused on providing free, gamified education to all underwritten by brands. Real-time intelligence dashboard for brands and schools to measure engagement, growth, leadership, learning, and teaching. The platform builds a stronger, loyal, gamified community via role-playing and our learn and teach mindset across game platforms. Let's take a look at the funnel as it illustrates how marketing and education are the same. This funnel is divided into two, just like the previous graph. On the left side is education and the right side is marketing. In our last graph, Gen Alpha presents 4 opportunities, 2 in education and 2 in marketing. We will illustrate how each opportunity shares the same solution on both sides of the graph. The top of the funnel, learning environment and marketing tools will share the same solutions. Next, learning format and platforms will also share the same solutions. And then, learning support and learning content will share the same solutions. Since our graph shows that learning environment and marketing tools share the same solution, this means Opportunity 1, collaborative remote style, and Opportunity 3, game creation management platform, can be solved together. Play to Learn Intelligent Dashboard is the marketing tool to create the new learning environment. Play to Learn platform will help segue the future of learning into the next frontier of gamified learning environments, redefining what a school looks like, reflecting more of a learning arcade. Its unique dashboard publishes learning into immersive experiences as a gaming media management platform. The system's user interface takes the form of an intelligence dashboard supporting gaming network integrations across gaming platforms, with the main focus of measuring engagement as the new metric for success for brands on gaming platforms. This brings us to Play, the next part of the funnel. Learning formats platforms are actually the same platforms that brands should be marketing on. Imagine an arcade with each room being a different game platform, with the first being Roblox. Similar to school classes, each game is a different class with many games in the room. Play to Learn publishes immersive learning experiences on gaming platforms. Every brand has at least one arcade game that organically gamifies their offering. Education before sales is the focus. Immersive learning about the product before selling it is key. Let's look at how Opportunity 2 and Opportunity 4 also shares the same solution. The next part of the funnel is Learn. Here you can see that Opportunity 2, free gamified tutor, and Opportunity 4, gamified valuable content, also share the same solution, allowing anyone to gamify learning. Education systems now have free, universally scaled tutoring platforms by using game platforms that students are already using. Current learning support platforms like Cumin, Khan Academy, LinkedIn Learning can use Play to Learn to publish their content into immersive experiences across any of the gaming platforms. These same gamified learning experiences are perfectly equipped for a CMO to focus a brand campaign around learning any content. Anyone can teach on Play to Learn's platform. Students, teachers, parents, brands, and governments. This brings us to the last part of the funnel, Earn, learning democratized, the lowest common denominator for all learning. A new engagement model, Play to Learn all-in-one engagement platform, is powered by Web3 and built for scale. Every student has a Web3 reward wallet, and every Learn Teach experience is an NFT incentivizing learning teaching. Here, each student has a Web3 wallet. Once the lesson is completed, the student is incentivized. Offering Web3 incentives, the platform is flexible to accommodate existing loyalty programs or an option to branch out and offer learners assets that aren't limited within the internal ecosystem. Learning is currently a one-way street, but to democratize learning, the world must accept learning as an economy, a two-way street of sponsoring and teaching, which is a double-sided platform. Like many of the great platforms that have democratized anything, supply and demand has to be accessible in real time, so the buyer and seller can make a deal and even swap positions if needed. The learner can use their final exam to teach and become the teacher, or the rider becomes the driver in the same trip. Learning democratized.